How to recover from Google penalty. A Google penalty could be extremely dangerous and detrimental to your site. However, it could be difficult to know if your site has been penalized or not. And it is harder to make a recovery from the Google penalty. What kinds of penalties are there? There are two major categories of Google penalties. 1. Manual penalty. A manual penalty occurs when a spam team of Google flags read your site, mostly for breaching multiple webmaster guidelines of Google. In order to see whether your site has been manually penalized or not, log into the Google Search Console and check you have received any messages there. If you don't have received any messages or warnings, it means there is no manual penalty on your website. Recovering from a manual penalty. As almost all the manual penalties are link-based, you will have more control over handling the situation than other kinds of Google penalties. Firstly, you need to check against which links you're being penalized for, whether they are outbound or inbound linking practices. Once you have identified those low-quality links for which you get penalized from Google, in that case, you can use Google's Disavow tool to remove those low-quality links. After fixing this problem at your best, submit a recovery or reconsideration request to Google through the Manual Action section for your account recovery. 2. Algorithmic penalty. Algorithm penalties occur as a result when any of the Google search algorithm flags read on your site. This penalty occurs automatically whenever Google makes changes in its algorithms or refreshes its previous algorithmic data to an upgraded one. This type of penalty is difficult to detect compared to manual penalties. The best way to track this type of penalty is by seeing or noticing a massive decline in your traffic within one day. Recovering from an algorithmic penalty. As these algorithmic penalties are quite different from other penalties, there is only one way to regain your rankings to fix the problem and then wait for Google's response on it. Google used to refresh its algorithmic data once after a few months, and your penalized website could not be recovered until the Google updated or refreshed algorithmic data proved that your website no longer deserves this penalty. For more information about Google penalties, subscribe now.